Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I wanted to show you guys this Transformers Seaspray, and it's part of the Titans Return lineup. It's an older figure from like about 2016. It is part of the Legends class, so it's the I believe it was the smallest one from that series. It goes from Legends to Voyager and Leader class and stuff like that, but this is a Legends class, so it's not too big, but it's a good size. So let's open this up and take a look at this figure and see it transform. Before I open it up, I actually wanted to show you guys the back of the package. It's really cool. It shows the figure transform in its robotic form and also in the vehicle form. And it has a little bit of a description right here. It says, "No Decepticon can get past the naval defenses of Seaspray." A couple more like information right here. It takes like 8 steps for it to transform. It includes a figure, a collector card, accessory, and instructions, and then a couple of warnings and things like that. But as you can see, this is copyright 2016 Hasbro. So I believe it came out around 2016. I have had this for a long time and I haven't opened it. So I thought I would do a quick review and show you guys this figure. I think it's really cool, and I wanted to play with it and see how it feels to have it in hand. So let's get to opening it up and showing you guys the figure out of the package. So as you can see, I opened up the package as much as I can to kind of pull it out. I want to keep the packaging like nice and stuff so that I can put it back. I do like the card. I don't want to mess it up. But let's see. They also had instructions in there, kind of loose little paper right here. And let's take a look really quick. This is my first time looking at it. Some pretty cool graphics. Simple picture of the Autobot Seaspray. And then shows you the transformation. I think it's a pretty easy, simple transformation to make it from robot to vehicle. So very clear and concise about which parts need to move and everything. So it'll be my first time transforming Seaspray. I've never had it before. I really think it's cool that he's one of the characters from the original G1 series, and I see it's pretty fairly accurate to the cartoon itself. So I guess on the back it shows from transforming from the vehicle to back to the robot. So it's the first time I've actually seen a transformer instruction show like from robot to vehicle and then vehicle to robot. So most of the time it just goes only one way on some of the simple ones. So let's put this instruction to the side so that I can show you the figure itself. So it's all kind of like stuck into this plastic with some zip tie things, and it looks like there's a card, I guess, on the back. Let's see if I can get it out without messing it up. Looks like they just taped it all together on there, and it's pretty cool. It looks like a trading card. It's just Seaspray right there. And then let's take it out of this. Okay, I think it's kind of cool that they did this. It has some thickness. It feels like a playing card or a what do you call it? Those like Pokemon cards and stuff like that. So it doesn't open, I don't think. Nope, it's just cardboard. Pretty cool graphics. I like the colors of it. And then kind of the specs for Seaspray. So it looks like the strength, he's not too strong, 3 out of 10. And then speed or agility, looks like he's a 6 out of 10, so a little bit fast. And then it looks like a robot head with some like gears, so the intelligence, I believe, is 9 out of 10, so he's pretty smart. And then this looks like a missile firing off, so it's attack. His attack is about a 6 out of 10. So he's pretty strong in these areas, but he's not super strong, so that's why it's like 3 out of 10. But really neat little card. I'm going to put this back into the plastic so it doesn't get dirty or anything. So I'm going to keep that. It's pretty cool. And then we got Seaspray right here. So let me see if I can free him out of this package and kind of cut some of these plastic pieces that are holding him down and restricting him from falling out. So let's see if I can get all this out. So I think I got all the plastic pieces out for the tie downs, and he came right out. Oh, also he had an accessory right here. Let's see if I can get to this right here. You can kind of see right here, small little tie down. There we go. Oops, they just flew out whenever I cut it. So this is supposed to be his blaster or missile launcher kind of thing, and you can kind of see the Autobot. Let's see if I can focus this a little bit closer for you guys. So looks like the stickers on here are actually stickers. Later on in the Transformer lineups, they painted on and stuff. I like that they have the sticker. It's cool, but it's kind of like the old 80s style where you put on your own stickers and everything. But sometimes these stickers will come off after play with it too much and stuff like that, or touching it too much. So I wish it was kind of painted on so it'll last longer. But this is very nostalgic to have a sticker on the plastic pieces. So like I said, it's made out of plastic. Most of it is plastic. And let's see. Oh, so in the package they twisted his feet to the side so it could fit better. So he actually probably stands like this. Let's move out the package and show you guys how he looks like in robot form. So it's pretty cool. He can stand on his own. The feet are pretty wide and stuff like that. And I believe it's his blaster, so he should hold it. Or actually, kind of show you guys. I thought it was gonna go into the hand right here, but actually it looks like a tab slot, because if you look at the blaster itself, it has a tab, so it's going to be placed into the arm right here, so that when it's holding it, it's like this. So this is how he is holding the blaster itself. And let me try to move some of these things. It's kind of windy outside right now, so everything's going to start flying around, and I'm going to lose some of the instructions. But this is how Seaspray looks like in his robotic form. And let's move on to, well, let's take a quick look while he's robotic form before I transform. You can see there's a more, this is like sticker here, and the Autobot stickers right here. The head sculpt, pretty fairly straightforward. Yellow, black for his eye part. And then let's see what else. The articulation, you can see how you can move the arm. You can't really move it, well, you can move it up like this, but you can't bend it all the way 90 degrees. It's stuck on this ball joint right here. So his arm, elbow moves fairly well. And then let's see, the leg, you can kind of see it twist. There's a couple of joints and stuff like that. And you know, the feet moves down and up like that. Let's see if the knee doesn't really, let's see, oh yeah, it can bend up like that too, so you can kind of have him like bending his knee like that. So he can't really go all the way like 90 degrees. This kind of stops too, so this, that's what limits his movement there. And then let's see what else is notable. Not too much kibble. You can see the propellers do spin. Pretty cool back. And let's see, does his body twist? Doesn't look like his body can twist. And does the head move? Nope, the head's stationary. So pretty simple on that. Let's get to the transformation of Seaspray. So let's begin the transformation of Seaspray back into the hovercraft mode. So let's move on. The first step is to bend this part up. So you got the back, you know, like you pull it over there, and then his arms go up, straight up, and then there's actually a tab right here, the slot, and then his arm has a tab right here by his fist, so it tabs in. Same thing goes on this side, tab in, and then you turn it around, and then on his feet you pull out these the back of the kind of like buoys on the hovercraft. So I can bend this out, and so we got these coming out, and then we put the front of the hovercraft together. So we got that, and then you bend that down, and then it looks like you push this forward somehow. Let's see. Oh, so you actually bend his torso in, or center part, and then push. Let's see. This is my first time transforming it, so trying to figure out by looking at the instructions. But it's supposed to kind of go in. It's supposed to connect right here. I'm trying to get it to work. Let's see if I can do it separately. So it looks like his knees kind of bend and things like that. So I think that's how it goes together. See if we can get it to fit correctly. And then I think another step is to hide his head right here. And so there's a looks like a little panel that covers his face, so it hides it. And the last thing is that blaster that I had in his hand. There's a tab right there, tab slot, right above the Autobot symbol. So, and then you can see the tab that's on the blaster itself. So it looks like it just sits there, snaps in really, pegs in really well, and looks like the front isn't sitting well. But so this is how it looks like in vehicle mode. There's no wheels or anything like that. Oh look, so I see there's tabs actually where I was messing with a while ago. So that kind of tabs in right there too. But there's no wheels on this, so you can't really roll it on the table or anything. Not sure if it floats either. I doubt it. It's plastic and stuff like that. So it'd be interesting. I might try it later and see if it actually floats in water. But this is how it looks like in the vehicle mode. Very cool. What do you call it? Hovercraft vehicle. I'm just not sure why it's not staying together, but you can kind of see there's a gap right here. Maybe it's just a bad transformation for me. First time doing it, so this is how it looks like. What do you guys think of how it looks like as a in the vehicle mode? I like the propellers do spin at least. It's very cool. Kind of funny, you can still see his fist on the back of the vehicle, but kind of wish it had wheels, even though it's not supposed to, but you know, it lays flat, but it doesn't move or anything. So that's how it looks like in vehicle mode. So I'll let you guys see the different angles of this, like, of Seaspray. It's funny how his head is hidden right here with this panel, but very simple Legends class. So I do like Seaspray. He's a cool character. So it's kind of funny to see this gap right here, but maybe I'll transform it more and I'll understand it better. So this is the Titans Return Seaspray in his vehicle mode. So before I conclude my video review about Seaspray, like I said, I was going to try to put him in, put Seaspray in the water and see if it floats. I doubt it because of all this opening and everything like that. But here's a tub of water, and let's see if I set it on there and see if it floats. So it's hard to see, but let's try to show you guys. Okay, I don't know why the lighting just went out, but you can see he is below water and it does not float. So we're gonna hurry up and take it out before the stickers fall off. And let's get back to concluding our review of the Transformers Seaspray. So I'm going to conclude reviewing Seaspray by transforming Seaspray back into its robotic form. I know he's a figure that's back in like 2016, and if you guys can't find it in the store or somewhere like secondhand, because it's not like in the mainstream anymore, because it's an older figure. If you really like him, I think there might be on eBay or on Amazon and stuff like that. And I'll leave a link below if I can find it for you guys to purchase him if you're really wanting Seaspray. I think he's a really cool character, and I do like this form of Seaspray. I'm not sure how the original G1 looks like, but I do like how this is pretty close to the cartoon and everything, and he's really easy to transform on the parts and stuff like that. And let's get one more part come down, and it's the back is closed up where it's supposed to be. And let's try to set him up. So what do you guys think of him? I really do like him. He's really cool. Just a simple blocky G1 style transformer. Let's see if I can get you guys to see how he looks like up close. And got his blaster missile launcher, whatever you want to say. Try to tab it into his arm. Kind of being tricky. And so this is the review of Transformers Seaspray from the Titans Return, and I will leave a link below if you're really wanting to grab him. He's really cool. I'm not sure how tall he is, maybe like 4 or 5 inches tall, but he's a good size transformer, and I do like how he looks like. Let's see if I can get you guys to see him clearer. Just standing there, just looks really cool. Just like the look of him. But anyways, leave comment if you guys have any comments about how he looks, or if you guys have different versions of Seaspray. I never see him that much. This is one of the few times I found him and I just grabbed him. It's just like Cosmo the UFO is a rare vehicle that I rarely see. I never got him either, missed that opportunity, but this Seaspray character is very neat, and I do like this model of Transformer. But let me know below in the comments, and as always, share with your friends if they're Transformer fans. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, and remember to check out all my other videos of Transformers or Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching.